How's it going, guys? So, today we're talking about the power of becoming a decision maker and everything that it comes with decision making. This is what separates you from the men and the boys, or from the girls and the women. There's a single mental move that you can make which will solve enormous problems for you within a millisecond. It has the potential to improve almost any personal or business situation that you will ever encounter, and it could literally propel you down the path to incredible success. It's called making decisions. People who are proficient at making decisions make their way to the top, while people who can't make decisions tend to fall to the bottom. And it's not just your income that's affected by decision making. The health of your mind and body, the well-being of your family, your social life, and the types of relationships that you develop are all dependent on your ability to make sound decisions. Unfortunately, this skill isn't taught at school. Luckily, it's not difficult to learn how to make wise decisions. By subjecting yourself to certain disciplines, you can become very effective and efficient in decision making. The person who fails to develop the ability to make decisions is doomed because indecision sets up internal conflicts that you can escalate into all out mental and emotional wars that drag you down. People who become proficient decision makers all have one important thing in common: a strong self image, self belief. While they may be different in several respects, they all possess high levels of confidence. And this is very true. This is what separates you from the kids and the grown ups. They learn from their experiences, but they never submit to failure. Many misguided individuals try something once or twice and feel that they are a failure if they do not hit the bullseye on the very first try. Failing does not make anyone a failure, but quitting most certainly does. And quitting is a decision. As the great Charles F. Kettering once said, an inventor fails 999 times, and if he succeeds once, he's in. He treats his failures simply as practice shots. That is true for just about any activity that you can name because winning is a decision. There's no situation that isn't made worse by worry. Worry never solves anything. Worry never prevents anything, and worry never heals anything. Worry only serves one purpose: to make the situation worse. If you want to make more money, that decision is yours. It's a decision made in advance. Think about people who are fasting, for example. When a Muslim is fasting during Ramadan, they don't have to think about whether or not they will accept a piece of cake or a tea if someone offers. They've already made that decision in advance, which ensures that they will succeed in their endeavor. That same logic applies whether you're on a diet, want to lose more weight, or want to increase your income. However, advanced decisions must also come with an ample supply of discipline. All peak performers understand and use discipline. Discipline is to success what carbon is to steel. Any decision that you make must be backed with discipline. Research indicates that highly successful individuals make decisions very quickly and change those decisions very slowly, if and when they change them all. Then, if they change them at all. By comparison, the person who rarely enjoys any degree of success makes decisions very slowly, and they change their decisions very quickly. They also have the habit of being influenced heavily by those around them. Instead of trying to be like everyone else, you need to trust yourself and carve your own path to success. You have the potential to do anything that you choose and do it well, but you must make decisions. When the time comes, you must make your decision where you are with what you got. Recognize the greatness that exists within you. You have limitless power of potential and ability waiting to be developed, and it's all within you. A lot of people don't know this because their ancestors or the people who are in their environment are blind to it. There are people who have a vision, and there are people who cannot see. There are people who can see but do not have a vision. You need to work on your vision of decision making and make wise decisions based on those decision making, based on your vision. Because if you hesitate, then that's causing everything to stop and dismantle. And if you worry, then it's the same thing. But if you have confidence and self-belief in your vision, and you know that where you're going, and you believe in yourself that you're already successful, and you make decisions based on your belief, then you are on the right track. If we all did the things we are capable of doing, we would literally astound ourselves, by Thomas Edison. And this is very true because if we all believed in ourselves, if we all had the confidence in ourselves, if we all were to see ourselves as more than just a human being, more than a limited factor, that we are truly infinite, that we have truly the gift of God within us, then would you stand in self-confidence and self-belief and knowing that God is really within you and His power, that you can manifest and create anything. You can create income that you want. You can lose the weight you want. You can live in the house you want. You can have the car you want. All you need is self-belief and a vision and the confidence of success, and it's all yours. There is only one of you. Be yourself. Break away from the crowd. Make your own decisions. Those people that break away from the crowd are the ones that know themselves more. Those who are in the crowd tend to be in the crowd for one reason, just to follow the crowd or to see what's happening. And I understand going out, vice versa, is not a bad thing. But those, you know who those people are who consistently go out because they're lost. But those who choose to stay home, those who break away from the crowd, those who tend to do the opposite of what regular people do, are the ones that tend to be successful. So be yourself, don't follow the crowd, and make your own decisions. Because this is your life, and you do have the gift within you. All you need is the vision and the self-belief and knowing how to make decisions based off your vision, off your self-belief. And don't worry, don't hesitate, because it's already finished. But that's all for today, guys. Like and subscribe. Put into the comments what you think about this video, because there's more coming tomorrow. There's more coming daily. Peace.